Hi everyone. In previous video, we learned details regarding point of view. Today I am going to give you quick tip regarding saving point of view. So let's see. Suppose you have multiple cubes and you need to switch between them for retrieving data. Then this is a very good option for you. You can save all cube POV and use as per your need. So once you have set your cube POV like this, then what you can do, you can just right click and then select this save cube POV to favorites option. Once you click on that, you will be prompted to get a name like this one. Here you can see new file name. So you can just give file name as per your choice and then click OK button. But before this, remember in this selected cube POV, you should not have any question mark on dimension name so that it will work fine. Now, next question is how you can access your cube POV. So once you save that, it will go to your favorite option. Like you can see here, I have saved it to my POV section. Now I want to use that saved POV. Suppose I am in another cube and I want to change my cube POV to again tax POV. So I can just select my favorite POV. So how I can select that? This one. Right now you can see here my cube POV is set to different cube. Now what I will do, I will click on this explorer icon and then we'll go to my favorites and then select tax POV from here. Once I am selected tax POV, then it will prompt me for this option. Are you sure you want to change your POV? Then once I click on OK, it will change my current POV to tax POV like this one. Now you can see my cube POV has been changed to tax cube with the save dimension member. And this is very helpful when we are just working with the multiple cubes. I hope you like this trick. Thank you.